In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Otter AI name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to update how your name appears across Otter, including shared notes and transcripts. First, open your browser and go to otter.ai. Give the page a moment to load. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your settings. If you're already logged in, you'll see your workspace right away. Next, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It might be your photo or your initials. Click that to open the profile menu. From the menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you can manage your account and personalization options. Inside the settings, find and click the General tab. This is where Otter groups your basic preferences, including your profile details. Once you're on the General page, locate the Profile section. This is the area that controls how your name appears to others in Otter. In the Profile section, click Edit. This will unlock the field so you can make changes. Now type in the name you want to use, keep it clear and consistent with how you want to be identified in meetings and shared notes. If you collaborate with teams or clients, choosing a professional, recognizable version of your name helps others find and tag you easily. Double check spelling and capitalization so your name looks exactly the way you want it to appear. When you're happy with the update, click Finish to save your changes. You should see a confirmation or the fields will lock again, indicating your new name has been applied. If you don't see the change right away in an open tab, refresh the page or navigate back to your home screen and return. Most updates are instant, but some shared spaces may reflect the new name after a brief refresh. A few quick tips to wrap up. If your account is part of an organization, some settings might be managed by your admin. In that case, reach out to them if the name field is locked. Keep your display name consistent across tools you use with Otter to avoid confusion in meeting notes. And if you regularly share transcripts, remember that your updated name will appear on new items going forward. That's it. Simple and effective. You've just learned how to change your name in Otter. If this was helpful, make your changes now so your next meeting shows the correct name everywhere.